Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Did you accidentally buy something on Roblox? Or maybe you just don't like an item you purchased? Wondering if you can get a refund? In this video, I will explain about Roblox's refund policy, so you'll know if your purchases are refundable. Let's go. Unfortunately for its users, Roblox has a strict no-refund policy for in-game purchases, including accidental purchases, lost and unused items from both the avatar shop and experiences. To avoid any unwanted purchases, Roblox encourages players to always read the item description carefully. They also offer a try-on feature to preview items before purchasing, and a confirmation window appear before every purchase to prevent accidental clicks. If you run into an issue with a purchased item, especially if it malfunctions or doesn't match the description, you can report the problem to Roblox support. Head to roblox.com/support on your web browser and fill out the necessary details, including your account and contact information. Under the Help category, choose Purchases using Robux and specify whether the item originated from the website or an inexperienced purchase. Finally, provide the item link and a detailed explanation of the problem you're encountering. Once you submit the report, simply wait for Roblox support to respond if a refund is warranted. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.